Hey there, you ready to watch me create a priority report by account rep in under 2 minutes for my Goldmine database? Now, I've already opened the create screen, so we didn't have to wait for it to load, but that's all I've done. I haven't done anything else. So you ready? Let's start our timer. And you'll notice right now that main contacts is set by default. That gives us our main account level company details, as well as these key fields in Goldmine. But all I really need to do is add the field that's important to me right now, which is the rep priority. So I'm going to alphabetize this list down here and go to C2, which is our user-defined fields, find the R's, and rep priority. I'm going to select the place for it to be saved and give it a name, priorities by account rep. And just so you know, before I hit finish, if there's other areas of Goldmine that you'd like to see, all you have to do is select the area up top here and then select the fields that are important to you. And then you'd hit finish like I'm going to finish the report. It's going to go ahead and do all the background work for you. And just so you know, if you end up forgetting a field or you add a field to your Goldmine later on and you need to include it in a report, you can easily do that from the report themselves. And pop-up's getting ready to come up here, letting us know it's been saved. We'll hit OK. It's going to open it in Excel. And 43 seconds left. We can see that we have 15,000 plus records in our database. So I'm going to select on rep priority, which you can see we have a lot of different priorities. But I'm going to go ahead and filter out on just the ones that I know are current right now, the ones we're concentrating on, along with our typos. And we could see how many accounts are listed under each different priority. Now I want to see how many are assigned per account rep for all the different priorities. And if I wanted to go a step further, I could even just see individual account reps like myself, see which accounts I have listed under each one. Now, we've basically made 3 reports. The timer is getting ready to go off right now. So I'm going to turn that off. And just so you know as well, these reports are savable, refreshable. You can always open them up, get the most accurate current data in your Goldmine. Now, I know what you're thinking. She had the report all planned out and uses the software all the time, and you are right. But even a beginner can create this exact report in under 5 minutes, and I barely scratched the surface of what MasterMine can do and create. So even if you need something more complicated, you can bet that MasterMine can create it for you. If you'd like more information about MasterMine, please visit our website at mastermine.net or give us a call at 877-877-7212 and select option 1.